copyWithin is an array function in JavaScript that moves elements around within an existing array. You have this array 1, 2, 3. You call copyWithin with 0, then 1. Within the code, the whole step of copying is a single step. To understand it practically, it's better to conceptualize it as the element at the index of the second argument is moved to the index of the first argument. Then the element at the next index after the argument is moved to one index after the first argument, and so on until the last element can be moved. In this case, although the copy happens in one step in the code, the conceptual understanding would be 2 gets copied to where 1 is at, then 3 gets copied to where 2 is at, then there's no more copies to do, so the array is done being modified. The key thing to remember here is, because you've only specified 2 arguments, the second argument conceptually keeps getting incremented by 1 until no more copies can be made to the next available slot. When you have this same array but specify 3 arguments to copy within, the third argument specifies the first argument to exclude from the copying. So if you were to call copyWithin with the arguments 0, 1, and 2, the copying would stop at index 2, meaning the 3 wouldn't get copied into where the 2 is in the original array. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn some more JavaScript, you can click into the video on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao!